So hello everyone. So this video I'm going to teach you how to perform a linear search program in C++. So we are going to just declare an array and going to find an element present in an array by using linear search method. So let's get started. So first hash include iostream in main. First we are going to get the input elements from the user int a of repeated elements and for int I equal to 0 I less than something I plus plus. So C out enter the element, just we are informing the count of the element, enter a new line. Next thing we're just going to get the input of the element. Yeah, so okay, now this thing basically we are getting a 10 elements as input and we are storing it. So next thing the element to be searched, so it's going to be C out enter the element to be searched, and let the element to be searched be n. After that let's just get input element c of n. So okay, so now we have got the required element to be searched and we have inputted all the array elements. So now we are just going to compare each array element with the element that we have searched. So let's start here. For int I equal to 0 I less than 10 I plus plus, you are also declare any number of elements instead of 10, let's switch. And here's a checking part. If n equal to a of I C out element found at ith index in the array. Okay, just going to print that the message that element is found, and we're also going to print the ID index number. Sorry, index number of that's I. Just this one will iterate through. First it will be I 0 to start from 0, and this will keep on running till 10. So okay, so now as we have found the element, we are just going to get out of the loop. There is no need of the loop running once we have found the element. So if the condition is true, we are just going to break the loop. Okay, now this program will work fine for the if the element is present. Suppose what if the element is not present, means we can't put simply a else and type that the element is not found, because that will get printed as much number of times the element is not, that instance is not found. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use a flag. Let int f equal to 1 be the flag, and it's just a variable, and if the element is found, the f value will be assigned to 0. Okay, so next thing, if the flag, if the element is not found, that is f will remain 1. C out element not found, this will be the output. Okay, so let's take an example over, let's just take an 5 arrays. Okay, be the array be 1 2 3 4 5 be the array that we're inputting over here, and the element to be searched will be 6. Okay, first thing we will try. So what will happen is n is equal to 6, and k of 5 will be this, going to be this 5 values, and this loop, this condition is going to be never get satisfied. So after this loop is running, this loop will get terminated if f equal to 1. We still have f equal to 1 because it won't, this if condition won't get satisfied, so it's not going to go inside the if condition. So if not, element not found is printed. Suppose the element is n is equal to 2. First time the condition will fail because equal to I will be 0, a of 0 1, and the next time I plus plus a of one f one is true, so n is 2, 2 equal to 2, if condition is true, and goes inside the if condition, and C out element will be found, will be printed, and if becomes 0, and break just comes out of this loop. Okay, it just breaks from the loop. This loop will be terminated at the second time of I getting implemented, and next thing it will check for if. So as in case before break we have assigned f equal to 0, so f will be 0 and not equal to 1, and this condition won't get executed. This is what will get as output. So let's run and see this. Save. I didn't type using namespace. Okay. Namespace std. Yeah. Okay. The 0 3 will be just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we are going to search 5. So we can see the element is found the fourth index in an array, because 0 1 2 3 4, it starts from 0 in the array. So we're going to find it at the fourth one. Suppose if we enter some other element that's not present in the array, but all the elements will be 1, and it's 10, element not found. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and check out the more C++ program tutorials in my playlist. Thank you.